Got a large storm set moving in here.
Oh, Kai played with it? We had fun last night, didn't we? We had fun. We partied.
Pizza party.
We had a pizza party. We really did. Colby ordered in pizza. It was cool. It was fun. It was like we were teenagers hanging out with toddlers. Being moms and dads. Water. So here's our measuring cups. Let's find a quarter cup. Right here. That's the quarter cup. It says a cold water. You want to pour it? Okay, here's cold. Quarter cup. Yeah, be very careful. Good pouring. Thank you. So now the directions say, let's read it. Stir until combined. So you need to stir it with your spoon. Mix it up. You want a little bit of help? Mix. This is the way we stir our muffin, stir our muffin, stir our muffin. This is the way we stir our muffin in the morning. Do you smell that? Oh, like blueberry. So this, I showed it on my grocery haul, but it's Muffin Unleashed, the muffin in a cup. And it's non-GMO, 100% whole grains, and has some protein. Give it a thumbs up. I had all that chance to have a bunch of hot cups of coffee, and I never even drank it. Silly me. We're out of creamer, out of almond milk. Uh-oh. Can you wave hi? Where are we going, Bodie? To Echo. Echo is a museum. We have a big lake where we live, Lake Champlain. What? Did you eat? Oh, you can't do it? Bodie's eating a squeezy applesauce. He's almost done. Fruit on the go. But Lake Champlain is where we live on Lake Champlain. It's a lake that is between New York and Vermont. And Echo is a museum that teaches you about the lake. It's for kids. I don't know what else. And adults, but they have a lot of things for kids to do. And we have a membership there, so we go a lot. They just got a new dinosaur exhibit yesterday. The opening of it was last night, so we'll go check that out. Colby's going to Amato's.
Hey!
Amato, that's my game show voice again. And welcome to Amato's. I'm working on it. Buddy, say welcome to Amato's. Here we go. Can you say that? Go round, here we go. Here we go round, here we go. Oh, I hear you say it. Look over here, baby. It's literally probably -2 right now, so there's nobody out except for me. But it's really beautiful. We're supposed to be getting a lot of snow. We've already gotten some. Winter storm. Oh. Look at my dog sank into the snow. It's still coming down. Look at that. Snowy, snowy. There's our Christmas tree hanging out in the back porch.
Oh yeah, you did upside down.
Did you check under the coffee table?
I don't see it.
Ugh. Huh. Well, we had them all on Christmas, but we can still play it. Yeah, good idea. Here we go. Whoa, good one. Whose turn is it now? Oh, you do it until you knock them all down. Is that how we play?
Alright.
This is your third shot.
Here you go.
Really
You want to hold it this way?
And I rigged it up with this little coach belt so they don't fall down. Colby goes to Bodie. That's Mommy. Here I am. We're about to go out into the snowstorm. Look at that snow. Look at it on top of, like, okay, there it is on the sidewalk. Oh, there goes the snowplow. Look at that on top of the electrical box thing. Wow. And it's still coming down. This is awesome. Here's my hubby. What are you doing?
Oh, going to get the snow.
This is Vermont life for you.
Get your boots on.
Get your boots on, kids. guys. Just hanging out in Bodie's room, sitting on his toy box. Isn't that picture cool? He picked out his artwork for his room, and that's one of them. The other dog is like a Boston Terrier. Our dog Jigga is a Boston, and Bodie's dad Colby's a DJ. So this picture right there is perfect. And then Bodie loves skateboarding, so does Colby. Just hanging out by the window, watching the snow fall. Here we are, I'm in Bodie's room. So this is looking at the screen, but that's like a lot of snow. It's gotta be a couple feet. Winter Storm Harper. Guys, I feel like Bob Ross. Barbara Ross. Bobby Ross. That was my nickname from my family. If any of my family's watching this, you'll remember, at least on my dad's side, my nickname was Bobby when I was a little girl. Some of my family still calls me. But right now, I am just painting a canvas frame. And I'm putting... Look at that snow.
Taller than the dog.
It is. Wow. It's dark out there, even with the light on.